Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are making keto brownies. No wheat flour, no added sugar, very low carb, easy to make, and very delicious. Let's start to prepare the pan. It's a rectangular shallow baking pan, 25, 20, and 3 centimeters, about 10, 8, and 1 inch. I just have it lined with a parchment paper, without any butter or baking oil sprayed. I found the brownies batter is oil enough to come out easily. Then measure dry ingredients. 75 grams of almond flour, 25 grams of cocoa powder, 5 grams of coffee grounds to boost the flavor. It's optional. Then the star ingredient, the chocolate. What I chose is the unsweetened dark chocolate with 100% cacao. It's sugar-free, allowing bakers to control any amount of sugar added or no sugar added, perfect for keto baking. You need the whole bar, including 100 grams for melting and 15 grams finely chopped for final touch. And add 160 grams of butter. Measure 100 grams of erythritol. Set the double boiler with a pot and a heat-resistant glass bowl. Have chocolate and butter melt together. Add 1 gram, a quarter teaspoon of salt to boost the chocolate's flavor, 100 grams of erythritol, 4 drops of liquid stevia to balance the cooling aftertaste of erythritol, 10 grams, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Stirring to melt them all together. See how smooth and silky the chocolate mixture is. Looks and smells delicious already. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. When waiting for its cooling down, whisk 180 grams, 3 large eggs, and set aside. We can add some nuts or dried fruits to our keto brownies. 30 grams of dried cranberries. Measure 30 grams of pecans. Have them chopped finely. So we complete all the dry ingredients, eggs, and chocolate mixture. Combine them into our brownies batter. Put the batter into the prepared pan. Evenly spread and smooth the top. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. If you prepare gooey brownies texture, just have less time to bake, up to 15 minutes max. Out of oven and let it cool. I cut the brownie into 30 small squares, about 5 centimeters or 2 inches each square. It's ready to enjoy. I like to have my brownies served with unsweetened peanut butter and whipped cream. I hope you enjoyed this video and always know that you are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I will see you next time. Take care.